Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing of first impression for you, and this is the brand Cuba. The brand Cuba has been around for a very long time. They are very cheap fragrance brand. They usually make quite good fragrance for what you pay. Usually they don't last, that's the main problem with them. I had at least 2 to 3 Cubas before, and they last you just maybe few hours and that's it. But in terms of smell, they're quite good, although obviously for the price you pay they are very synthetic. But I never had a Cuba I would say, oh no, that smells disgusting, you know what I mean. No, it was quite good for what I paid for it. Anyway, so in this video I have another one, which is, this one is called Milestone by Cuba, and this one is 100 ml Eau de Toilette, and as you can see it's a metal cylinder. It's quite nice. Yeah, it's an aluminium cylinder for less than 10 quid. That is very good. Okay, so it's quite good. And details here, and let's go and unbox it. But before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it informative, if you find it useful, if you find it valuable or entertaining, please hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So it's going to be a simple unboxing, and the famous cigar shaped bottle, this is what they're known for. Cuba, obviously the association with Cuban cigar, and they started with actually quite fragrances that smells like Cuban cigar, but later on they just expanded their lineup. So this one, Milestone Cuba, quite a nice bottle, nothing to brag about. Cap is plastic, and the atomizer, surprisingly good atomizer. Okay, so for less than £10, Cuba Milestone. How does it smell? Here we go. Yes, Creed Aventus copy number 1200. Yeah, another Creed Aventus inspired clone, alternative, copy, dupe, whatever you want to call it. Surprisingly smells nice. Wow, it doesn't smell too overly synthetic, chemical. No, it's just very nice bergamot right now. Yeah, it's quite a sweet pineapple feel to it as well. Yeah, so bergamot and the pineapple is quite apparent in the beginning, and the woody backbone. There's about vanilla, tiny bit of floral, but overall for less than £10, and you get in Creed Aventus £350 or less than a tenner, you do the calculation. I knew it's going to be quite nice, but I didn't think it was going to be this good, Yeah, it smells very good. The only thing is very subdued. So I'm guessing this is going to be similar to the rest of the Cubas. As I said, they don't last that long, and that's a shame because they smell quite nice. And also it's bang on, Creed Aventus bang on. Yeah, it's like 90-95% close to it. It's absolutely amazing for such a price under tenner. And as I said, it doesn't smell synthetic or harsh or alcohol or any chemical. No, it opened with nice bergamot and a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of woodiness. Smells amazing, you know, for a price for under tenner. That is ridiculous. Yeah, smells very good. So in the next video, I'll let you know the development, if there is any, longevity, if there is any, and but so far so good for under £10, 100 ml edited toilet. So it's edited toilet. You don't expect it to last that long anyway. If it lasts around 5 hours, 6 hours, that would be ample enough. The only thing is the last Cubas I had, they go around 3 to 4 hours maximum. So let's see, this one might surprise us, okay? But for opening, for a first impression, first sniff, for less than £10, yes, 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 I'm loving it. What in the smell, that's good. It's surprisingly good. Anyway, okay guys, thank you very much. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. And if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances that are ultra beast mode, very, very unique, very artistic, very intriguing, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links in the description as well. Thank you very much as always for joining me, and I see you later. Bye, bye, bye.